bottom of the ocean, in the deep, dark, cold abyss, lies an environment that blossoms with life. In 1977, scientists first discovered hydrothermal vents, surrounded by a dense fauna and teeming with never-before-seen creatures. This discovery shocked scientists all across the globe. This is a picture of one. This is the vent, and these are the creatures that surround it. Hydrothermal vents, or deep-sea vents as they're otherwise called, are areas on the ocean floor where volcanic activity causes water to gush out. Vents are underwater equivalents of geysers. They form when magma wells up underneath cracks in the tectonic plates on the ocean floor. Water seeps in, is heated, and spews back out. The temperature of the water can reach up to 750 degrees. The pressure of the ocean keeps the water from boiling, however. Bacteria are abundant around deep-sea vents. They thrive off the hydrogen sulfide that spews from the vent. This chemical substance is deadly to most animals, but bacteria turn it into energy. Without bacteria, very little life could sustain itself. Since the sun's warmth is a distant memory, plankton cannot survive. These tiny creatures are an essential link in the food chain. With no bacteria as a primal food source, many creatures would starve. Many animals live around deep-sea vents. One such example is the tube worm. These worms build tubes for themselves out of bits of sand, particles of shell, and whatever else they can find. Then they glue these pieces together with mucus. The worms survive because of their rock-hard tubes, which protect them from predators. The worms can be 10 feet long and as thick as your arm. They have a symbiotic relationship with bacteria. A symbiotic relationship is an association between two different species that benefit each other. The worms often capture bacteria. Then they collect chemicals and give them to these bacteria. The bacteria use these chemicals to make energy for themselves and the tube worm. Some larger animals that live around in the vent are crabs, lobsters, eelpout fish, Pompeii worms, giant clams, and octopuses. Pompeii worms are the most heat-tolerant animals, able to withstand temperatures up to 200 degrees. They do it with the help of, you guessed it, bacteria. Eelpout fish are slow, lethargic creatures with enormous appetites. They eat mussels, tube worms, clams, and whatever else they can find. Hydrothermal vents are truly a marvel of creation, a wonder of the deep, and an example of how diverse life can be.